Should we say hello to everyone at home? Hello! Right then, we've got our whiteboards and pens ready. You might have a pen and paper at home, whatever, but we're going to do spot and spell with this week's story of the singing mermaid. And the first word I'm going to find on this page, and it's going to be something that's got a shiny little pearl inside. Can you see on the beach? There's these shells inside. They've got two. They kind of open up a little bit like a purse or a book. And they're called a clam. Can you say clam?
Clam.
You get your robot arms ready? We're going to chop up clam together. Clam. 4 sounds. If you pause the video at home, you have a go. So we've had a go at writing clam up here. Hopefully you have at home as well. And you're going to help me write it now. So say clam.
Clam.
What's the first sound? Now which one do I use normally if it's the first? C says, how do I make the cl blend? Is that right?
One more.
I don't want clan, I want clam. Did you get it right?
Yeah.
Well done. Right, the next one.
I haven't got it right.
I'm going to turn the page. Well done.
I haven't got it right because I didn't.
You did it with Miss Hastings.
I
You need
didn't.
something in the background. Do you know what this is called? Where the land finishes and it's very steep.
Circle.
Well, there's a circus at the top of the cliff. When you say cliff, you chop it up. Here. Cliff. Another 4 sounds, another blend. Have a go at home. Pause the video. We've had a go at writing cliff, and now you're going to help me write cliff. Say cliff.
Cliff.
Chop it up.
Cliff.
It's that same blend, isn't it? But it's a bit different at the end. Cliff. Now, I'm not sticking my tongue out here, which means I'm going to use the flower. But sometimes you have 2 L's that make one O sound.
I wash my hands.
Not right now, we're going to do it before lunch. 2 S's make a sound, and 2 F's make a sound. Cliff needs 2, but if you just did 1, that's fine because you heard the right sounds, but if you wanted to be absolutely correct, it's with 2. Right, the next picture is on the same page. At the top of the cliff, there is a red and white stripy circus tent. Say tent. Chop it up.
Tent.
Another 4 sounds. Off you go at home. We'll have a go here. Go at home. We've had a go on the carpet, and now you're going to help me with my go. What's the first sound in tent? And nice and tall. Tent. Nice and easy. The next one is going to be someone who works inside the tent. I think he's got a red nose and stripy trousers. It's not Sam. He's on this page. In fact, he's got spotty trousers.
The clown.
Clown. Say clown.
Clown.
Now this has a blend and a digraph. Arms ready? Ow. Clown. So still 4 sounds with a digraph. Let's have a go. Pause the video. Hope you had a good job at home. Good job on the carpet. Now for my go for clown. Now the blend I should be really, really good at by now. Next sound, clown. Ow. Ow, ow. And I need to make sure I do them that way around. So, W. And the last sound, clown. Down, nodding, and over his neck. Last word then is going to be the very sad place that the mermaid gets put because of Sam's slime. In a
Fish tank.
tank. Same with our tadpoles at the moment. Say tank. Chop it up. Tank. Last one. Pause the video. Right, they've had a go at writing tank at home. You've had a go. Last word on here. Spell it out for me then, guys. Tank. Oh, listen carefully. Tank.
Is this the last one? Which
Now
one? Which one? Is this the last one?
This is the last word, and this is the last sound of the last word. I want the k sound next. Which one should go at the end? Which one? This sound just here. Letter K says.
I just did it. It's. I do a cut like Katie's cut in her nose.
Lovely. Can you say bye to the people at home?
Bye.
See you soon, and we'll scrub our